In today's video, I'm going to teach you downloading as a zip file. This is a simple, reliable way to export your Replit project so you can back it up, move it to another machine, or share it outside of Replit. By the end, you'll have a single zip archive containing your project's files and folders, ready to store or use anywhere. First, open the project you want to export in Replit. Make sure you're in the correct workspace tab, especially if you have multiple projects open, and give the editor a moment to fully load. It's best to verify that the files you care about appear in the sidebar before proceeding. Now look to the left-hand side of the Replit workspace for the Files section. This is the panel that lists your project's folders and files. If you don't see it, it may be collapsed. Hover or click to reveal it so the Files tab is visible. Next, move your cursor to the Files tab itself and click the three dots icon to the right of it. Those three dots open additional options specific to your project's files. This is where Replit hides some handy actions that don't appear directly on the panel. From the menu that appears, select Download as Zip. As soon as you click this, Replit will begin packaging your project into a compressed archive. If your project is large or contains many files, give it a moment to prepare the download. Smaller projects will usually start downloading almost immediately. Your browser will now ask where to save the file, or it may place it in your default Downloads folder. Choose a location on your computer that you'll remember, such as a dedicated projects or backups folder. You can also rename the zip in the Save dialog if you want a clearer file name that reflects the project and date. Once you confirm, the zip will download to that location. When the download completes, you'll have a single zip file that contains all the project files and folders from your Replit workspace. This archive preserves your project's structure, making it easy to store, send, or move to another environment later. If you don't see the file right away, check your browser's downloads list or your system's downloads folder. That's all there is to it. You've successfully exported your Replit project as a zip, keeping everything neatly bundled for safekeeping or future use.